My YMARFER y dydd heddiw, today's exercise of the day is the wall ball squat. Squat, wal a ffel. Gwyd chi isio I hwn di wal a ffel yn amlwg. All you need for this exercise is obviously the wall and the use of a ball. The heavier the ball, the harder the exercise. Fwy trwm ydy'r pel yn oddach fydd yr ymarfer. So I'm sefyll yn gwynebu'r wal, we're going to stand face the wall. We're going to go into a squat position, mewn I safle'r squat. Gyda'n traed lled yn wast, our feet hip width apart. From there, we're going to go into a squat. As we come up, we're going to throw the ball up against the wall, and then catch it on the way down. Then dechrau, mynd mewn I squat, wrth mynd I fyny, talu'r pel I fyny, a dal ar y ffordd lawr. Mae'n bach yn wyntog heddiw, so ddim yn windy today, so I'll try and demonstrate as best I can. Gyda ddangos I chi gorau a bosib. Dyna chi ymarfer y diwrnod. There you go, today's exercise of the day. Over to you.